Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, let's pop off the tray, which is somewhere like right here, as you can see. You can use your fingernails to get it out. There we go. So you can grab it with your fingernail and pull out the tray. And as you can see on here, we have space for a single SIM card and a single SD card. And you place both of them with the chip side up, like so. And then insert it back into the device. Now do it carefully, there's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of pop out. There we go. And unfortunately this is Sony. Back in the day they for some reason needed to reboot when you insert SIM card, so that's basically what it's doing right now. Give it a couple of seconds for it to boot back up and everything should work just fine. Okay, I just decided to restart again because it detected a SIM card, even though it's showing me up right now insert pin for it. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, we can now pop in our SIM pin. So the SIM card is working, and I can tell you already SD card is working as well. You can see there's the pop-up for it. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.